Okay, so today we have with us Chris from Profile Cabinetry. So Chris is actually one of our clients that signed up for Cost Certified. I would like to say a few months ago. So Chris, good to have you on, and I'd like
Hey,
to
Dave.
just it's great to see you again, and I'd like to just maybe ask you straight up, what's your experience been with Cost Certified? What were you looking for, and how has it impacted your buying experience of your customers?
Well, so far, 100% satisfied with the product. We've had really, very minimal issues in terms of learning curve, and what issues we did have. The team was there 100% of the way to help out, and always get a great response, fast response from the support end of things. So that's really great for us. So I couldn't be happier with the product itself and the way the team handles concerns, and anything I need, you guys are always there. So that's great. In terms of the customer buying experience, I have had a lot of positive feedback from clients that are getting proposals from Cost Certified. I think there's two main things that have really been helping. One, we're able to upload like a finished catalog. So, for example, faucets, toilets, countertops, it's all uploaded in there, and the client's able to get a great visual of what finishes are being proposed. So that's great. The fact that we can have clients picking their own finishes, amazing. So the platform allows me to let a client pick between a black faucet and a chrome faucet, or a Kolkata countertop, or a pure white countertop, and then it automatically adjusts the pricing. So it's a huge time saver for us going back and forth with samples. We used to go to clients' houses with boxes of samples, and we don't have to do that anymore.
Well,
So
I'm
yeah.
glad you're saying that, Chris. Let me just interrupt and ask you, we like to say that, Blockbuster used to sell and rent movies where you had to get off your butt, you had to go get your keys, drive to Blockbuster, look at the movies, get in line, wait in line for 15 minutes, drive home, put the movie in. We like to say that Cost Certified is sort of the Netflix of construction, where we're empowering your customer, which is most important. We're empowering your customer to have a way superior buying experience, a more convenient buying experience. So maybe let me ask you specifically, just talk about, what did it look like before? I mean, you guys sell, residential remodels, kitchens, bathrooms. You guys do custom cabinets. What did it look like before, the buying experience for your customer? And you touched on that a little bit, but just explain what they would have received, whether it was a PDF, an Excel, and then how they had to go make their selections, maybe drive across the city or do whatever. Just explain that a little bit so that everybody can understand that.
Yeah, so Dave, you pretty much had it there. We were sending out your basic QuickBooks estimate, which had pretty detailed descriptions. But then after that, it would be exactly like you said, driving from supplier to supplier to narrow down finishes. Most times I would go with them, you know, and that would be a huge chunk of my time that went towards doing that. So that was one way. The other way was, most of our finishes, we didn't even sell them. We just had the customer go buy them, right? Because it was that much of a pain in the butt for us to deal with. So, in terms of actually expanding our catalog and what we sell, it's been a game changer for sure.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's awesome, Chris. I really appreciate the time. I know you guys are busy, but it's awesome to always have a customer like that. And thank you. We do pride ourselves in trying to give the best support. So I'm glad you said that at the beginning. It is something that we really focus on. So really appreciate it, Chris. Good luck to Profile Cabinetry. It's awesome having you on. Thanks, Chris.
Thanks, Dave. We'll see you. Okay, buddy.
See ya. Take care.